Hey, step one, when you buy a used bike, especially when it been sitting up, you gotta break that bitch down. See what need replacing, if it even need replacing. We just took this fuel tank off. We're about to take it all the way off. It's holding on by this little line. Take that off. It got some stuff in it. Take that shit out. It fell in there while we was working on there. Take that cover off. Take the other cover off on this side. See what need to be replaced. Then crank this bitch right on up. Oh yeah, that's easy.
The green, I'm gonna put